How to use Facebook ads with your landing pages on your Facebook step-by-step guide in this video. A well-designed landing page matched with a great Facebook ad can significantly boost your lead sales and signups. Step 1 will be define your goal. Before launching the ad, ask what do you want people to do? Buy, sign up, book, or download. In this a cold or warm audience. This determines your ad creative copy and landing page layout. Step 2 is build your landing page. Use tools like ClickFunnels, Unbounce, Lead Pages, Shopify, or WordPress. Your landing page should be match your ad visually, image, color, or headline. You have a clear headline and benefit driven subhead. Use one call to action CTA only example sign up, buy now, be mobile optimized and fast loading. No distractions, higher conversions. Step 3 is create your Facebook ad. In the Facebook ad manager, choose an objective like leads, conversion, or sales. Target your audience based on interest, behavior, custom audience, website visitors, email list, etc. Your ad should have attention grabbing visuals, use pain points or benefits in the copy, link directly to your landing pages, not to your home page, then connect your landing page to the ad. In the ad setup page, the exact URL of your landing page in the destination field, add UTM parameters for tracking, optional but recommended. For example, the link is here you can see. Step 5 is install Metapixel. Install the Facebook pixel on your landing page to track conversion, retarget visitors who did not convert, optimize ad delivery. You can use tools like Metapixel Helper, set up events like lead, purchase, or add to cart. Step 6 and final will be analyze and optimize. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching it.